Abdominal thigh.
Come on, Josh. This is you.
Yeah.
Blow him out.
Keep both legs in, Josh. Both
Good.
legs. Nice.
Sit up a little higher, Brian.
job,
There
guys.
you go. That's better.
Good, Josh.
Good work, Zach. Blow him out.
Keep those legs tight.
Good
Come
job,
on.
Noel.
And relax.
It's good group bank, though.
Hands
Legs,
on,
Josh.
Hands on hips, most muscular.
Come on, Brian. This is
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job,
Good,
guys.
Josh.
Good job, Zach. Keep those abs in,
Good work,
Zach.
Brian.
Relax.
There you go.
Crab.
Those lats out, Brian.
Crab, most muscular.
Let's see it, guys. Let's see it.
Yeah, Josh.
Yeah. Crank them down, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Step up here and get it. Come on.
Nice, Zach.
Nice, guys.
Crack him up, Tom.
Relax. Back to the X.